Welcome friends. In this video we shall talk about a hand yoga pose called as Mahasheersh Mudra. This mudra is also known as Mahasir Mudra and also called as headache mudra. This is called as headache mudra because it is a short way of removing all types of headaches from your body. Plus at the end I'll talk about the 9 more mudras which can help you relieve your headaches. But before we proceed ahead, friends, please subscribe to our channel and share and like all our videos. Mahasheersh Mudra. This mudra is combination of Surya Mudra and Vyan Mudra. To form Mahasheersh Mudra, create following 2 mudras in each hand. First create Surya Mudra, that is fold your ring finger and place its tip onto the base of the thumb, followed by creating Vyan Mudra in the same hand, that is join tips of the thumb, index finger and the middle finger. Thereby you will create a formation which is shown here in this picture. This formation is called as Mahasheersh Mudra. One should do this mudra 3 times a day for 5 to 6 minutes each time. Name of this mudra, which is Mahasheersh, is derived from words in Sanskrit language where Maha means big and Sheersh means head or peak. Therefore, the name Mahasheersh refers to big peak or big head. In Hindi language, Sar means head. That is, this mudra is therefore also called as Mahasir, that is big head. Drinking 2 tumbler full of water also reduces headaches relatively quickly. Benefits of Mahasheersh Mudra. Mahasheersh Mudra cures all types of headaches by draining out the mucus congestion. For example, this mudra benefits tremendously in the headaches which are caused by stress or tension or migraines, sinusitis, common cold, weather changes, menstrual issues, stomach acidity, backache or cervical. This mudra helps cure swelling, for example, swelling of veins in head, swelling of sinus cavities, etc. This Mahasheersh Mudra helps in relieving eye strains. This mudra reduces obesity and cholesterol levels in the body. This mudra regulates blood pressure and helps in diabetes cure. This mudra gives benefits of both Vyan Mudra and Surya Mudra. Mahasheersh Mudra, as we said, is a combination of Surya Mudra and Vyan Mudra. You can watch our different videos which are on Surya and Vyan Mudra by going to our channel or by accessing the links which are given here. Here we are describing 10 mudras which are very beneficial in curing the headaches. On top is definitely the Mahasheersh Mudra, which is a short way of removing your headaches. This is followed by other mudras. Now other mudras are Pan Mudra, Mushtika Mudra, which is very useful in quickly relieving the headaches, Surya Mudra, Prithvi Mudra, Apan Vayu Mudra, Pran Mudra, Agni Shakti Mudra. Then Kuber Mudra is also there, which relieves headaches which are caused by the cold. Then there is a Mirgi Mudra, which is very helpful in curing headaches which are caused by the dental pain. Now let's have some general information on the mudras. But I would suggest please watch our other videos, especially the first one in this playlist, to get the accurate and more detailed information on hand mudra yoga. Here is the summary of 13 core mudras, out of which 8 are Tattva mudras and 5 are Pranic mudras. Many more mudras can be created by joining different fingers and thumb in different manners. Here is the summary of Pranic mudras. If you join tip of the thumb with the tips of the middle and the index fingers, you get Vyan mudra. Similarly, if you join tip of the thumb with tips of the ring finger and the middle fingers, you get Apan mudra. Using the same fingers, but instead of tips, just fold the ring finger and the middle finger and press against the palm, you get another mudra called as Meow Mudra. Next is that if you join tip of the thumb with the tips of the little finger and the ring fingers, that is this little finger and the ring finger, you get a mudra called as Pran Mudra. If you join tips of all the 5 fingers, you get Saman Mudra, which is also called as Mukul Mudra. If you join tips of index finger, middle finger and ring finger along with the thumb's tip, then you get a mudra called as Udan Mudra. Here is the summary of 8 Tattva mudras. Please watch our first video in this series where you can get more details of all these Tattva and Pranic mudras. But in summary, if thumb is pressed onto the tip of the index finger, we get Gyan Mudra. When we fold the index finger and we press it lightly by the thumb, we get Vayu Mudra. Similarly, if we press the tip of middle finger by the thumb, we get Akash Mudra.
and if we fold the middle finger and then press lightly with the thumb, we get Shunya Mudra. Similarly, with the ring finger, with the tip we get Prithvi Mudra, and with the ring finger folded we get Surya Mudra. Little finger gives us Indra Mudra, and then when the little finger is folded, it gives us the Varun Mudra. Doing mudras. Mudras can be done anytime in any pose. For example, while sitting, standing, watching TV, or even while walking. Mudras can be done by one hand or they can be done by both the hands. For example, you can do Vayu Mudra by your right hand and not do anything at the same time with the left hand. But generally it is better if you do the same mudra with both the hands simultaneously. Mudras should be done daily for 45 minutes. However, if needed, mudra can be done for 15 minutes 3 times a day as well. A mudra done along with deep breathing shows quicker results. Do not do any mudra for at least 30 minutes after the meals, except the Surya Mudra, which is used for improving the digestion. 2 different mudras can be done simultaneously, one by the right hand and the other by the left hand. However, do not do opposite mudras, for example Prithvi Mudra and the Surya Mudra, because Prithvi Mudra is used for increasing the body weight and the Surya Mudra is its opposite and it is used for decreasing the body weight. Mudras can be done along with other therapies as well.